You're not. So, slime review time. There's literally slime all over my leg. Okay. Well, I'll just suck out. Anyways, slime review. This is a pigmented slime with fake snow in it, the instant snow stuff, like this stuff, instant snow powder, and I still have some left over. You can't really see it, but like, yeah. And this is the final product, and this is the pigment that I used. It's pink gold. You're gonna hear some cars driving by, but don't mind that. And then this is the slime. I'm gonna add more instant snow because it's not like fully cloud slime yet. But it still kinda rips like it. Drips like it. And it's like super stretchy, Okay, next slime. Now this is just an instant snow slime and it's like super sticky still. Yeah. So yeah. This is the instant snow slime, just the instant snow though. And I'm just gonna go ahead and add a little bit of Tide. A little bit more, because it's still like super sticky. Okay. This slime is like super cool. It just looks like I'm playing with a cloud. Like honestly, it really does. So this is the cloud slime. I also need to add more instant snow to this one too. So I'm just gonna go ahead and overactivate this really quickly. Okay, that should do the trick. This feels like super goopy, but it'll definitely overactivate it. Okay, it's overactivated now. So I'm gonna add some instant snow. That should do it. Oh my gosh, this feels so good. Yeah, it's already melting now. Like I can feel stickies in here. I don't know why, but it's super satisfying to add instant snow after you activate the slime. And by the way, you might hear my mom in the background, because I'm in the garage making slime, so I don't make a mess in the house. See, it's already starting to get stretchy again. But of course, I just need more instant snow. There we go. I'm going to make a lot of instant snow. Ooh, a measuring cup. Nice. I'm making a lot of instant snow right now, just because I feel like it. Okay, that's going to make a lot. Add some water. See, I'm making a mess. That's why I'm in the garage. That just made so much instant snow. Like, whoa. And when my friend Callie gets here, I just made an even bigger mess. when my friend Callie gets here, we're gonna make some more slime. I would have showed you how I made these slimes, but I just now realized that I should have made a YouTube video, so yeah. I'm making a lot of instant snow right now, so. Like, literally, this is so much. Let me show you if I can ever get my hands cleaned off. I'm gonna pull this thing out very, very, very carefully. Anyways, okay, let me show you how much instant snow I just made. Look at that. And it feels so good. Literally feels so good. I think it's too wet. I need to add some more stuff. Instant snow. It's literally too wet. And that's how to ruin your slime. When your instant snow is wet and you add it to your slime, it can ruin it. I'm gonna add some of this to my slime. There we go. Okay. I'm just mixing in the powder to the instant snow now, and now it's not as wet. Okay. Yeah, that's better. It's so warm and it feels so good. By the way, I just got this slime stuff today, and this is already almost gone. Like, already almost gone, like seriously. It's halfway gone. And I got it like 30 minutes ago, didn't I, Mom?
Yeah.
Ooh, the powder feels so weird. But it's gonna make it stretch like cloud slime. Okay. Yeah, my slime's melting and I can feel it melting. Oh my gosh, it's getting there, it's getting there, it's getting there. This is how to make the perfect cloud slime. By a non-professional slime maker. I'm gonna go ahead and overactivate it again so I can add more instant snow. I like finally got a ton of glue, and for Christmas last year I got a gallon of clear glue for Christmas last year. And I used it up in like 2 weeks. I think that's overactivated enough. Now we're gonna add some more instant snow. This is a tiny container, but like still. It's a miracle worker. Okay, I'm gonna save some for me and Callie just in case. I'm gonna save some for me and Callie just in case she wants to make some cloud slime. Oh my gosh, it's getting there. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. My dream come true. I can still add more. I think this is gonna be my last couple bits for this slime. Amazon Prime is a miracle worker. Like, seriously. I got this stuff in 2 days. Like, oh my gosh. It worked. It's cloud slime. I just need a little bit more and it's like completely solid slime after. Oh my gosh. Today is like craft day out here because my mom's spray painting something and then we painted a door in the background and I'm making slime. I can't. Just walk through the front door. I'll get it. There's like slime all over my leg. Spray paint? Which one? This one?
The tall one, yes.
That made a weird noise. Okay, I'm back. It's literally cloud slime. This is the best slime I've ever made. Holy crap. That smells so good. This is so cool. Whoa! And it feels amazing too. It makes an amazing sound. Oh, come on, cup. You just ruined it. And that cup, too. Oh, my gosh. I just made the best cloud slime ever. Well, in my opinion. You guys might have a different opinion, but I don't care if you guys have a different opinion. And this is the other cloud slime that I'm going to actually turn into cloud slime. There we go. Now I'm going to over-activate it. Well, when I'm done mixing it, I'm going to over-activate it. This slime is going to be an amazing cloud slime too. Might use all the cloud slime powder, but I don't give a crap. Because I can order more, and it can get here in 2 days. So, yas! This is literally super cool. This is so cool. It's gonna be even cooler when it's actually cloud slime. Oh my gosh, it's getting there. It's getting there. It's getting there. It's almost there. I won't need that anymore. I still. Oh, okay. I'm so proud of me. I just made 2 amazing cloud slimes in a matter of an hour. This isn't fully cloud slime, but it's actually like 2 minutes away from being. Oh, my back hurts. You guys will be so amazed with me. Like, this is actually my first ever cloud slimes. These are my first ever 2 cloud slimes. And they're both super cool. Whoa! Oh my gosh. Callie's gonna be so jealous, but like I'm gonna save this for her because like she'll need this to make an amazing cloud slime like me. So that way when we make slime together, she'll have a cloud slime too. Yeah. This is the most amazing cloud slime I've ever made. Because I've never made a cloud slime. This is my first ever time. I don't even think I needed to overactivate the slime. It's only a little bit sticky. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy.
The house smells like muffins because, ooh, that's a little overactivated.
No, it's not. It's cloud slime. That's what the instant snow is for.
Because of your wax.
But it smells good,
It
right?
smells delicious.
So it smells like cupcakes, but it's strawberry kiwi.
Even the muffins that I make, the strawberry blueberry muffins, that's what it smells like in there right now.
Well, the candle wax is supposed to smell like strawberry kiwi.
It's like muffins.
But muffins smell way better. Especially your muffins. Mommy. So cool. And then this one's cloud slime too. See?
Weird.
You're weird.
And it's not sticky?
No. I'm gonna give this slime to Callie.
Okay.
It smells weird.
Are you done with the
Maybe.
You need to finish painting rock.
I don't want to paint it anymore. You can paint it.
It's okay. Please be done with the video.
Then come hit the end button. Bye. That way.